Namaskara. My name is Rachna Ravikiran. I'm a banker turned writer from Namma, Bengaluru. I spearhead the welfare community called Unicorn Art Club, where I manage the community center of learning and library and take care of the seasonal missions bestowed upon us by the universe. Unicorn Art Club is a welfare community that bridges the various sectors of the society. We connect people who are blessed with more with those who are in need of it. And like the age-old and wise banyan tree, our branches are many. One of the primary vision, the main focus is to create learning centers like Shantiniketan in every locality where kids can just walk in freely and the whole process of education is filled with laughter and fun. Unicorn Art Club's community center is perched in Hoskerehalli. We also house a mini library within. Because learning is free and the forms of expression are many, this is a place where children can walk in, just be and express freely. So they come in and they sing, they dance, they draw, they paint and form, and they find myriad ways of expressing their thoughts and emotions. It all began in the fall of 2019 during Navratri when I walked into my street with a bag of colors and I was surrounded by kids like the Pied Piper. We sat down to create. That was our first satsang. We sat down to create and I could see the dreams of all these children flying out like wings behind them and envision the whole place like a La La Land for children. And that's how Unicorn was born, and that's how the name was born. Our mission is to make the process of learning more experiential and fun for children and to help them befriend the nature within and the nature outside and to create awareness about the well-being of Mother Earth through art. My family forms the foundation of this fellowship where my father H.V. Ravikiran, my mother Ranjini Ravikiran, my brother Rajat Ravikiran and our four-legged friend Ginger form the core team. Another comrade in compassion who is also a part of the core team is Durga Prasad. Ginger is the face of Unicorn Art Club. She is the four-legged eco-warrior who's a part of every classroom and every satsang. She continually teaches us how to coexist on a daily basis. So she symbolizes the biodiversity that we learn in our textbook but we hardly get to experience. Did you know that a river used to flow through Namma city and her name is Rishabhavati? But unfortunately, because of what we've done to her, she's in a sad state today. And in order to create awareness and revive the river back to her original glory, the little eco-warriors of Unicorn Art Club, along with the students of Shri Sharda Public School of Hoskerehalli, walked through the streets on the 26th of January 2020 in order to revive the river and restore her beauty and thus enrich the local biodiversity. On World Wildlife Day of 2020, the Eco-Warriors of Unicorn Art Club, 22 children along with 3 dogs, walked across 3 parks of Hoskerehalli and Rajarajeshwari Nagar. The idea was to create an awareness about our natural world and our friends in different forms, to bond with biodiversity and to connect with the birds, the butterflies, the bees and the trees. When the lockdown was enforced in Namma city, we heard the helpless calls of our stray buddies and decided to hit the streets. We formed a team called Paw Patrol where we would cook large quantities of egg rice and chicken rice and tend to the stomachs of our four-legged buddies out there on the street. So this was Circle of Compassion, which was done for a period of 3 months, where a whole lot of dogs were fed across South Bangalore. Since the pandemic has padlocked the gates of all educational institutions and learning's also become digital, it's really hard for us to get a kid away from his phone. right? So in order to bridge the learning gap in every locality, we created this learning center, a creative center where every child can express in different forms and dive into the reservoir of creativity within. This was how the initiative Granthalaya in every Nagara was born during the second lockdown that was imposed. Another community called the Indian Ploggers Army, spearheaded by the Plogman Raj of Namma Bengaluru, joined hands with us. And knowledge has been flowing ever since, and we wish to create more such creative learning centers in every locality across Namma city. So Unicorn Art Club's Community Center of Learning gives children a space to be. So the children walk in and find various forms of expressing their thoughts and emotions. So we're singing, we're dancing, we're making art, we're making music, we're indulging in yoga and meditation. We're finding different ways to channelize our thoughts and emotions. We're also tracing back to our roots, and the little eco warriors are now turning into gardeners, and we're learning slowly how to grow our own food. So all the things that are written in their textbooks, we experience them firsthand, which is honing the artist within them, which is of utmost benefit. The biggest hurdle that we're yet to overcome has been to find a space and create a setup with sufficient stationery, books and everything that it takes to create a learning center. Another challenge that we face is, to fuel the quest of our ever-growing tribe of budding eco-warriors. We need more enthusiastic and passionate volunteers across the city to come out and help us smoothen the process of learning for children. So if more people come out, we'll be able to learn and teach more children. Another age-old challenge we face has been a perspective on the system of education. To measure a child's capability with academic performance alone is limiting the child's true potential. This is where UAC hopes to step in to bring learning outside of their textbooks and make the process more experiential. So we hope to create a lateral system of learning where children get to experience things and then learn better. Despite the many obstacles that we face, what keeps us going is our inner calling and the sparkle in the eyes of all these children that we see who walk into our center on a day-to-day basis. This is also a wonderful opportunity for us to go back to school and learn the way our ancestors did, like in the Gurukula system, where teaching is a two-path process, where one teaches and two learn. Going forward, we intend to grow our community by having more such centers of learning and libraries in every locality of Namma city. We also aim to travel with our classrooms across the city, to villages across the city, so that our caravan classroom can make education accessible to every sector of the society. Reuse is the mantra of our learning center. Nothing is ever lost or wasted, the Bhagavad Gita says. If you wish to help, please do clear the clutter in your space. If you have excess of books, toys, stationery, or any other things that you do not use anymore, please do reach out to us. If you have a phone to spare, a laptop or a personal computer or any other technological gadget that could be of use as well, please do keep it aside. That can help the learning facility of a child. You can also help by signing up to volunteer, be a part of our knowledge exchange workshops, come down to our center, sit down with our children and help us learn and teach. Also let us know if you have an open space and wish to initiate a community center of learning and library in your locality. Write to us on unicornartclub@gmail.com and join the tribe by following our social media links. Rabindranath Tagore said, "The highest education is not that which merely gives us information, but that which makes our life in harmony with all existence." Let's ponder on that thought and come together to reshape the minds of the coming generation.